I'm Stephen Cook with Cook Saw Manufacturing. We've got a machine here that we thought that y'all would be interested in. Any woodworkers, sawmillers, way to upgrade your product. It's a wide plank planer. You can call it different things, but we can take a wide board. This one has got live edge on it, and run across it. We've got there's got a little blade under here with some removable indexable cutters on it, and it goes over, and I'll show that to you here in a minute, and we'll level this plank up. You can use it to just make wide planks and make specialty type furniture, or you can cut it and trim it and glue together big boards. You can do all kind of stuff with it, but you'll see what it is, and you'll know what you can do with it. My understanding is people are getting $200 to $300 for a big plank like this plane, so something that's kind of exciting to think about, and probably be some opportunity for y'all. To begin with, the height adjustment on this one is manual. We can get them or make them that will be powered. And then your other controls are here, so you'll adjust that down. It can take up to 1/4 of an inch or so at one pass. And then we'll turn it on here, and you'll see we've got a speed control knob, and we'll go down. I'll just pass over it without hitting anything, and you can see it goes pretty fast like that. And we can control it all just standing right here. I can slow it down to a very slow movement and go off the end there, and then we can turn around, just stop with a joystick and bring it back. You can go fast, or if you come to a high spot, you can slow it down. Once we get back, then you'll see that it'll move across. It is powered, and it'll move across just by the push of a button. And you move about half the distance of the cutter head, about 6 inches, and then make another pass down, just as simple as that. So it will move to the left here, infinite amount, or to the right. We have, you can get these in different sizes to cut different widths. This one will do about a 36-inch wide plank. You can see it's got a curve in it, so you have to figure that into it. We can make them pretty much wide as you need to have one. So anyway, we will show you this cutting, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you have an interest in this, call Robert, and he can tell you all about it and answer your questions on it.